let me to introduce you to a new feature of the ABB Ability Energy Manager, the Single Line Diagram (SLD) functionality. This essential tool enables you to create a visual representation of the electrical components and connections within a system, and provides critical information as soon as you link your devices. When you click on the Explore tab and the Single Line Diagram button, you will see all the single line diagrams that have been created before in a grid or table format. By selecting one of the existing projects, you can view such critical measurements as voltage, current, power, and power factor. The top of the page contains an information button where you can add notes or tags. Additionally, you can print or export the diagram in PDF format, zoom in or out, and view the status of devices. A black color means a device is working correctly, while a grayed out color indicates that it is disconnected. Furthermore, if an alert is triggered on a device, an alert icon will appear in red. You can easily understand if the circuit breaker is open or closed. By clicking on a device, you can access additional information related to that specific device. In edit mode, you easily can select your devices from the generation, switching devices, monitoring, loads, and wirings categories using a lateral menu on the left side of the page. Additionally, you can add notes using the text box that is displayed on the diagram. As soon as you click on the icons, you will have the options to configure, clone, rotate, remove, or break all connection options. To configure a device, click on the icon. 3 options will be presented: label, to set a name for a device that is not linked to the cloud; assets, to select from the list of devices in the cloud through the tag name; and diagram, to link another SLD to the existing one, which will be displayed in blue.